This is a very simple and easy to use procedure template that you can use both in Excel and Google Sheets. It is designed to help you document your business processes in a clean and easy to follow format. Whether you're onboarding employees, handling customer support, processing invoices, or managing content creation, this spreadsheet helps keep everything organized. Here is a food prep example. Here is where you would type in what the food prep, the recipe is. For example, making scrambled eggs. You would enter who this was created by, when it was last updated, the current version, the purpose of this procedure, and the scope. Then you would list out all the items required, including the item name, quantity, and the units. Next, we go to safety notes, such as ensure hands and cooking surfaces are clean, use caution when working near a hot stove, and so on. Next, we go to the procedure steps. This is where you enter the number, the instructions, and you can even insert any images if you would like to. You can have as many steps as you wish. We have 7 here. If you wanted more, you can simply go in and insert. Then you have a section for the estimated time for each activity and the total time. For example, preparation will take you 2 minutes, cooking will take you 3 to 4 minutes, and the total time will be 5 to 6 minutes. Next comes the section for expected results. In this case, it's soft, fluffy scrambled eggs that are fully cooked and ready to serve. Next, we have best practices and recommendations, such as stir slowly to create softer, larger curds, cooking on medium heat helps prevent overcooking, and so on. Let's look at the customer support ticket handling. This is great for teams handling customer inquiries. It ensures consistent responses and helps track resolutions. Again, you would have it who it was created by, last updated, current version, the purpose. For example, to ensure customer support requests are handled promptly, accurately, and consistently to maintain high customer satisfaction. The scope, the items required, for example, customer support ticket, the system access, the workstation, knowledge base, and customer contact information. Then we come to compliance and safety notes, such as maintain confidentiality of customer data, and so on. Then we come to procedure steps, and this could include instructions on how to receive customer support requests, how to log the ticket, categorize the issue, assign the ticket, investigate and resolve the issue, respond to the customer, and to close the ticket. Then we come to the estimated time. Here you can record each activity and the total time you estimate it will take for each activity, the expected results, and your best practices and recommendations. Let's look at a human resources process example. This is for employee onboarding. Again, you can write in who created this procedure, when it was last updated, the current version, the purpose, for example, to ensure new employees are properly welcomed, trained, and equipped, and the scope. Then you have all the items that are required for this onboarding process, such as an offer letter, an information form, company policies handbook, and so on. Then we come to the safety and compliance notes section, and here you can put in steps such as ensure all employee personal information is handled confidentially, confirm that employment eligibility documentation is completed where required, and so on. Then we come to the procedure steps. Over here you can have instructions about sending the employment offer letter, to collect completed employee information, create the employee record in the HR or payroll system, prepare the workstation, provide the employee with company policies and orientation materials, conduct a welcome meeting, and so on. Then we come to the estimated time, which includes documentation setup, system and equipment setup, orientation meeting. Then we come to expected results, such as that the new employee has completed all the paperwork, received the information needed, gained access to necessary systems, and understands their job responsibilities. We have best practices and recommendations, such as schedule all these onboarding tasks before the employee's first day. So as you can see, instead of remembering tasks manually, Everything is documented in one organized workflow. This template also includes a procedure list tab, and over here you can record all of your different procedures along with who it was created by, last updated, current version, and notes. This is a blank procedure template where you would simply type in your information in the different boxes. You can create an unlimited number of procedures. Simply go to the blank procedure tab, right click, click on move or copy, and create a copy. And there you have your new procedure. Now just go in and start typing it in. The spreadsheet comes with 5 pre-filled templates for food prep, customer support, employee onboarding, invoice processing, and social media posting. I'll be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can get all my spreadsheets at my website moneyusage.com. Please leave me your questions and comments, and I'll catch you on my next video.